Welcome to Scandinavian capital markets and the best trading platform in the world, CTrader. In this video, we will review opening and closing positions, pending orders, and risk management. There are a variety of places to open market orders and pending orders on CTrader. Let's start in the active symbol panel. Ensure that you have the correct symbol selected. To place a simple market order, click the corresponding button in the direction of your desired position, buy or sell. If you know your risk in pips and you like to calculate your risk per trade manually, you may set your position size, and CTrader shows you the margin requirement and your pip value here. You may insert a comment if you wish and click Place Order to enter the position. Hovering over your quantity gives you more detailed information on the position, including the commission required. The market order is now in your trade watch, which we will explore in the next video, and is displayed on the chart showing the lot size and the status of the position in pips and account currency. The color and the direction of this arrow will indicate that it is a market order and whether it is long or short. By hovering, you reveal the stop loss and take profit, which can be adjusted showing your potential risk and profit in pips and account currency. To place a market order with risk management included, simply tick Stop Loss and type in your risk in pips. Adjusting the quantity in lots will clearly indicate the risk on this position in account currency and the percentage to be risk relative to the account balance. Take profit can be set in the same way, and the open position is then clearly displayed on the chart. To set a limit order, simply change the order type to Limit. Using the crosshairs, you can plan your entry point, risk, and profit, and by selecting either Sell Limit or Buy Limit, the direction of the trade. Unlike a market order, you need to enter an entry price, and you may type this in or use the up and down arrows to adjust it. CTrader displays just how far away in pips the proposed entry price is from your current price. Just as a market order, you may set your risk and profit in pips and adjust your percentage risk on the trade by adjusting your lot size. Take profit can be set in the same way. Once placed, the overall placement of the order can be adjusted, as can the stop loss and take profit, and, of course, in this case, a long position will be opened once price reaches the entry price. The color and the direction of this arrow, with a line under it, will indicate that this is a limit order and whether it is long or short. A stop order can be placed with the same procedure as a limit order, with your entry price, stop loss, quantity, and take profit set up in the same way. The order can be adjusted on the chart, and of course, the position will be filled when price reaches the entry point, in the hopes that price will continue in the same direction. The color and the direction of this arrow with a line over it will indicate that this is a stop order and whether it is a long or short position. CTrader also offers the stop limit order, which essentially behaves the same way as a stop order. The difference is that you may set a limit range in pips, and if price reaches your entry price and reverses outside of the preset range, the order is cancelled. This offers a new level of certainty and risk management to your pending orders and is represented on the chart by an arrow with lines above and below. Any market order or pending order can be cancelled on the chart by clicking the X or with the corresponding X in the Trade Watch panel. All trading and risk management features can also be found in CTrader Mobile by clicking the Create Order icon or by clicking the Buy or Sell button next to the respective Spark chart. Just as in CTrader Desktop, Market, Limit, Stop, and Stop Limit orders are available. For each order type, the same flexibility and risk management is available by selecting the symbol, quantity, market range, stop loss, trailing stop loss, and take profit. For pending orders, we can also add entry price and expiry, which we will explore in the next video. This has been a brief look at CTrader, trading and risk management, and we will continue these in the next video. More detailed information on all aspects of the platforms will follow in this video series, but feel free to contact us should you have any questions.